It is Tuesday, the 9th of May. The 9th of May, and it's National Teacher Appreciation Day. I should have paid more attention to that. I think May is National Nurses Appreciation Month. So that is both amazing because they are both amazing contributors to our society. Oh, I would never be a nurse, nor would I ever be a teacher. So clearly, it's a gift that I don't have, but theirs is a treasured gift, and we are most appreciative for all of them. Lots of my clients are teachers and nurses. So, pardon me. Ray found a good thing to chat about today. It's called the Moon Set Tee, and it looks like this. It's a classic, simple knit in a fingering weight. It has a drop shoulder, and it's just, she has it tucked in, but it's a straight down, straight across tee with a lovely overlapping V, if you can see that little detail. It's done in fingering weight yarn, and it's called the Moon Tee by Ozetta Knitwear, which is Haley Smedley. Haley Smedley. This is a $6.50 pattern, and it's so we've done some yardage checks, and we're going to talk about doing it in cotton sock from Cascade, which is a great yarn. It's a new yarn for us, 433 yards. So I'm afraid you will have to buy 3. You'll hardly get into the third one if you do the smallest size. But 3 skeins will take you all the way up to an extra large. And it is knit with 4 inches of positive ease. So an extra large finished bust circumference is 46. So then you jump to 4 skeins. But these skeins are $13.50 a piece, so that's very reasonable. And we have an abundance of colors. So this beautiful denim, we've got orange, love that. Of course, we've got lime green and olive green, love that. Purple, for all you purple people eaters. Well, maybe I put those upside down. The raspberry. This is a nice sort of red. Then we've got gold. Love that. This is an ecru. This is a great yarn for all kinds of things. Kids' clothes. Maybe even a baby blanket if you wanted to do it in fingering weight. Black, which is always great. Hard to knit, but great. Need a bright light. Dark gray. And then this toast color. Oops, cotton socks upside down. So lots of colors. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I brought out 12 colors. So that is wonderful. The Moon Set Tee. Looks like a very simple drop shoulder, so I'm guessing there's not much shaping, and you just add on the sleeve. So I'm liking it. Looks like a good project. All right. Tomorrow, let's see. It's getting toastier and toastier. Goodness gracious. It's a lot. As I'm sitting here and thinking about this, why don't we, the rest of this starting tomorrow, we will give any teacher who shows us their teaching card or wherever they teach or tell us where they teach, any teacher and any nurse that is practicing teachers, practicing nurses, not retired. All of you will get a 10% discount on your entire purchase between tomorrow, Wednesday, and all the way to Saturday. So, teachers and nurses this week, 5 o'clock. Teachers and nurses this week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, gets a 10% discount on their entire purchase in honor of all of their hard work. Be sure and tell us that you are a teacher. Tell us where you teach and what grade you teach and where you nurse and what floor you nurse on and all that other good stuff. It'll be great. We thank you for all your service. All right. That was a big announcement. I just decided to make it. So there you go. All right. I'll see you tomorrow. Come on, all you nurses and teachers. I'll see ya.